The Bitcoin log growth curves has been one of the most talked about indicators for the Bitcoin prices in 2021, and historically it has given investors great idea about where the bottom could be for the market and where the top of the market could actually be lying. So in today's video, we are going to analyze the Bitcoin log growth curve, and we are also going to discuss something that is happening on the log growth curve for the very first time in Bitcoin's 12-year history. With that being said, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham. Every day on this channel, I teach you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Do not forget to join us on our social medias like Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram. Links for each one of them is given in the pinned comment. So guys, let's jump on straight into the Bitcoin chart. So at this point of time, the Bitcoin price is trading just below $20,800. And guys, today's video is gonna be one of the most interesting videos because today we are gonna cover something that the Bitcoin price has never done in its history. What exactly is that? We'll come to that in the later part. So as you can see right now, so this is the Bitcoin monthly chart, and each candle represents 1 month. Now you can see most of the price action in the history of Bitcoin has happened within a zone. This top level, which is marked by the red zone right here, and these red lines right here. If you look left on the chart, you will be able to see 99% of the price actions have occurred in these zones altogether during the 13-year history of Bitcoin. Whenever the price reached the top level, it reflected that the market is overbought and correction may be on the cards. And whenever we reached the bottom half of this band, it reflected that the market is oversold and we could soon start a move towards the upside and start our journey towards a new all-time high. But there have been some instances which have been an exception. What are those? First of all, take a look on this candle on the 1st of March 2020. This was the COVID crash. And for the very first time, price action actually came below this red line itself, right? The red line at that point of time was at about the $5,600, but the wick of the candle came all the way to about $3,800. But the good news was we went up immediately and closed the month within this band. This is absolutely very, very critical. In the past market cycles, we can see one more time over here as well. In the month of August 2015, the wick of the candle came and touched this red zone right here, and it proved to be one of the best buying opportunities because it made a low of $162. Now, if we go further to the left and go as back as 2010, we can see this candle, October 2010, right? The wick of the candle actually came and touched this red line, and those were the very, very initial days for Bitcoin, and majority 99% of the people that are trading in Bitcoin today did not know about its existence back then. So back then, Bitcoin was actually less than $1. The high it made was about 20 cents and the low it made was about 1 cent. But then again, there was no closure of the candle below this red line that we see right here. Okay, this red line that I'm reflecting. But what has happened in the present day is we got the candle of May 2022 come down and test the bottom half of this particular red line. You can see this clearly. We came down to the lows of about 25,365, but we closed the month within the zone. Where was our closure? Our closure was at about $31,800. But the important thing to look at is the candle of the present month, that is June 2022. You can see very, very clearly right here that the body of the candle is well below these red lines, and the red line currently is at about the $26,000. And if we do not close the month, that is 8 days from now, we do not close this candle at about 26,000 or above, then this would be a major trend reversal, guys. Okay, and mind you, as we go into the future, we can go as low as maybe $10,000 or $12,000. But when coming towards the north, when going north, we will actually find resistance in these red lines, guys. Please pay very close attention to these. Okay, these red lines are actually going up. You can see this is the projection of those zones. These are actually going up. By the time, probably sometime early next year in 2023, January, February, if we plan to go up again, then those red lines could be at the zone of $37,000, $38,000, and we may actually face resistance there. And also, what is a very significant part is this is actually breaking a 12-year or 13-year trend for the Bitcoin price. What was the trend? We never closed a monthly candle below this band that we are seeing over here, and this is a little bit of concern. But if we look towards the left, we will be able to see that the break in the trend actually came last year, when the Bitcoin price was not able to reach the top of this red zone. Rather, we got resistance right at the beginning of the red zone. And again, when we tried in November 2021, we were actually held at the yellow zone right here. The yellow zone, mind you, is the median price for the Bitcoin at that particular time point. So in the second attempt, we never actually went to the overbought zone at all. So that in itself was also a major trend reversal, guys. Right? So what am I expecting? I am expecting we may correct to the lows of probably $15,000 or $12,000 or $10,000. Then when we are trying to go up, we might face some resistance in these red lines given when we reach there, right? For example, if we reach there in January, we may face resistance at around the $36,000, $37,000, and the more time we take, the higher will this zone be at. Okay, also please pay very close attention. I believe the next market cycle we may actually not go to the top of this yellow zone at all. Okay, we may actually face resistance and major resistance at the center of this yellow line. Again, these are all increasing, right? So for example, if we are to top out during the Q4 of 2025, then this middle line would be approximately at $500,000. Will Bitcoin be able to go to $500,000? I do not know that. But according to me, this middle line, no matter when we reach there, will be one of the biggest resistance for Bitcoin in its history, guys. So that's a quick analysis of the Bitcoin log growth curve. We are going to come to you with a lot more analysis as well. And also please let us know by commenting below which are some of the other coins that you want us to analyze. That's very important, and we will analyze those coins for you. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe the channel and also share this video with your friends and family, because guys, bear markets are the time when your lives might be changed for the good, and I want to change people's lives, impact as many lives as possible. So please share this video with your friends and family, give them the opportunity to learn and earn from crypto as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.